Welcome to my channel. Today I decided to recycle my plastic bottles into a gorgeous fountains. This is also my way of helping reduce plastic waste. Now grab your plastic bottles and cut them to your preferred size. Be fancy and creative. Use any available fabric you have. Measure the fabric to your bottle. You may not do this process as my plastic is narrower in the upper part, so I need to put more fabric in it. You can go directly cover your plastic as you wish. I like to start glue at the bottom part of the bottle. This helps me manage well my fabric. Fold in excess fabric and glue them inside the bottle. Well, I just repeat the same process to the other bottles. You do not need to follow this process, just cover all your bottles at once. For this one, I don't fold the edges of the fabric. I just want it to be more rustic. The last planter, I want to make it more fancy, so I add some tassel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you think. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!